What if I told you there's an open-source AI model that rivals GPT-4's coding skills, runs locally on your GPU, and it's 100% free? Meet OpenHands LM. Let's break it down. 1. What is OpenHands LM? OpenHands LM is a fine-tuned beast based on Qwen 2.5 Coder 32B Instruct, a MOE mixture of experts model that's shockingly good at code generation. With a 128K token context, it chews through massive code bases like it's nothing. And here's the kicker. It matches GPT-4's performance while being way more efficient. Cut to comparison table. OpenHands LM versus GPT-4 versus local alternatives. 2. How it learns. Most AI coding tools rely on static datasets, but OpenHands LM uses reinforcement learning via SWE-GYM, a framework that trains the model on real-world GitHub issues. It learns from successfully resolved bugs, making it a problem-solving monster. In tests, it hit a 37.2% resolve rate on SWE Bench, competing with models 20x its size. GitHub, SWE-GYM, fine-tuning, code fixes. 3. Why developers should care. Here's why this matters. Runs locally on a single NVIDIA 3090 GPU, no cloud costs or privacy risks. Multi-language support, Python, Java, C++, you name it. Open source, no paywalls, no vendor lock-in. It's like having a GPT-4 level coding partner in your pocket. Offline. OpenHands LM fixing Python code in VS Code 4. Who's it for? Whether you're a freelancer tired of Copilot's subscription, a student learning to code, or an engineer debugging legacy systems, this tool is a game changer. And unlike cloud-based AI, you own the workflow. You versus debugging with OpenHands LM. So, will you try OpenHands LM? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, smash like, subscribe for more AI deep dives, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Code on.